Welcome back, friends. This is Mary here at The Good Life with M. I have a video here for you today that I hope you find informative. It is a weekend getaway packing essentials video. So aside from other videos that I've seen where they, give you like their outfit picks for the weekend, I'm going to share an essentials packing video, stuff that I've thought of that maybe another person wouldn't necessarily think about. Maybe some of you guys already do, and this is just repetitive, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video. My husband and I are going to be traveling about 2 hours away from where we're at now to a place called the Post Hotel. I will be following this video up with that video and kind of doing a review on the whole place. It's going to be our first time there, and I'm super excited. I'll be taking you along the trip with me, I guess you could say, and you can see for yourself whether you'd like to visit or not. But let's go ahead and get on with this video, and hopefully you guys find it informative.
What are you doing, bub? Is that your new toy?
Okay, tip number 1, packing cubes. And I'm sure you've heard of packing cubes before, but if you haven't, they look like these little bags here. This is my husband's, actually. It's all black. And then this is mine. I love marble, so when I saw this, I said to myself I had to have it. I did get this, I picked this up I think at Nordstrom, so this is by Calpac, and it is a 5-piece set, whereas this one is from the Container Store, and it is a 3-pack. So I'll try to link everything below in the description box so that you guys can check it out for yourselves, because if you're not feeling this pattern, I'm sure there's other patterns that you can find. So with packing cubes, I love that everything is compartmentalized and you are able to find things quicker as opposed to just kind of placing all your clothing in the suitcase or bag. It tends to become a jumbled mess by the time you're done rummaging through it. So with these packing cubes, you kind of get everything organized. When I pack everything into these cubes, especially my clothing, I will roll them up so that it's less wrinkly. And I'm sure you've heard that before, but it's true, it works. Okay, y'all. I'm utilizing 3 of these packing cubes. They came as a set of 5, but I only really needed 3. And this small one, I have all my underwear and my swimsuits because they have a spa there, so I'm sure we're going to be using that quite a bit. And then let's see, this is my pajamas, so I have my Barefoot Dreams sweater here, and my I have a t-shirt and this really cute sweat pants type of deal. And then these are all my outdoor clothes. Now I'm gonna be probably reusing a couple of these, but it's the less clothing I have, the better, and I think that should go for anybody going away for a weekend. Next, tip number 2, grab something for your toiletries, makeup and hair stuff, and a laundry bag would be totally helpful. So what I do is I do put all my makeup into this little case here. This is by LC Cosmetics. This is kind of like a special that I got along with some makeup that I bought from that site. This is really great because the top portion houses your brushes, whereas the bottom portion houses all your makeup, and you'll see in the video here soon. And then I have something, of course, for my toiletries. This is something that I got from Sephora when it first opened in downtown Seattle, way back. But this is what I picked up there. I don't know if they have something like this still. I'm sure they do. But this is something that I house all my toiletries in. It's nice and compact. It's not too thick. And then next I have stuff for my hair, hair accessories, my brush, my combs, and my straightening iron. Sometimes I'll put a curling iron in here, but most of the time I have my trusty straight iron, as you'll see in the video. And then what people sometimes don't think of is a laundry bag. This I got from the Container Store, and it's nice because it has its own little baggie. You're able to fold it up nicely and place it in here, but it opens up pretty big. I would say, I don't know, I mean, it's a good size. So you're able to fit all your dirty clothes in here. For me, I'm kind of anal about stuff like that. So in order for me to fit everything into my suitcase as compact as possible, I tend to fold the dirty laundry and then I'll place it in this bag. So you'll see later, I'll link a picture, or I'll post a picture here so you can see how big it can get. And then I know I didn't list this, but I do have baggies for every little thing that I will be packing away. But my little, this is part of a set from the Container Store, and I tend to use like 1 or 2 of these bags for my jewelry. So most of the jewelry that I'm gonna wear, that I'm gonna have over the weekend, is stuff I'm wearing already as we travel to the place. So, but this is something, you know, when I go to sleep at night, this is something that I can place the jewelry in just to keep it clean and easy to find. Okay, tip number 3, dark face towels. So I bring a couple of these with me, and I know that they have towels over there, but these are small enough that it's not gonna take too much room in my bag. But I take these because I usually have a full face of makeup on, and I typically wear black liner, and I don't like it getting on their white towels. For me, I feel bad for them, for the housekeeping, the housekeepers trying to clean everything. I'm sure they have their techniques, but for my own peace of mind, I do take my dark towels with me so that they don't have to deal with that gunk. I'm trying to be considerate here, so hopefully this is a good tip that you guys haven't thought of yet. Okay, tip number 4, a collapsible bag or a flexible backpack. So I have one of these deals. I do have a spa appointment the days that we're there, and I feel like if I grab one of these deals, this is great for, you know, when I need to bring anything extra, like some of my makeup, some of my clothes, to the spa, because they have these lockers, and I don't like putting, you know, anything bulky. I don't like, like, you know, like a big tote, for example, and I don't like carrying my clothes with me. I feel like, I don't know, I'm not sure why. Not that I get embarrassed. I don't want to have to carry a load full down to the spa. So this is a great way to transport some of your stuff, place it in the locker so it's not taking so much room. And this actually I got as a freebie from let's see, American Eagle. So I don't remember what I bought there, but this I got along. It's free with purchase. Okay, number 5, gadgets and chargers. So I do have a packing cube strictly for that. This is probably gonna go in my husband's bag. If we wanted to take our iPad or chargers, we can put it in here so that we know that it is, you know, they have a designated spot. And then for me, because I vlog, I'm going to be taking this little, it's not a fanny pack, but you could wear it as a fanny pack, but it's kind of like an over the shoulder or crossbody. But this is something that I'm gonna bring. All my video equipment is nicely packed into this little case here. And this I grabbed from Best Buy. Number 6, I have a first aid kit. I always bring these with me. I put it in this clear case just so we can find things a little bit easier and a little quicker. I'll put everything from like ointments, maxi pads or tampons if needed. Let's see, medicine or baby wipes, anything that'll help soothe any pains or anything like that. Oh, and I have some vitamin C in here as well. So we will keep this out in our car when we're traveling. I don't like to pack it away because I want to be able to easily grab it if it ever calls for it. So at least we have this at the ready. Number 7, a crossbody bag and a big tote. So for traveling purposes, whether it's on the plane or a road trip, I will grab my big tote. This is actually a baby bag, but this is so roomy, and you know how there's a changing pad in most baby bags. I just took that out and I just use this for my travel bag now. So it's nice and sleek. It's not mean, obviously it doesn't look like a baby bag, but it's nice and versatile, I feel like. And this is something that I grabbed from the Coach outlet, but I don't know if they necessarily have it anymore. If they do, I'll go ahead and link it below, but I'm sure you can find something similar. And then a crossbody bag. So generally I do have a shoulder bag, but when I'm traveling, I don't want to be, I kind of want to be hands-free. Actually, we should be hands-free. So I got this flat bag. I can't remember where I got it. Maybe Macy's or something, but I'm sure you can find it. This is a Vince Camuto, so I don't know. I know that they have their stores, but what I like about this bag is that it has a zipper on the flap. So if you have anything, anything you want to hide, you can go ahead and put it in there. And then there's enough room where you can fit your money and your makeup. And I like to transfer all my money into this little sack here so that I can easily put it in to this little crossbody. And then this whole crossbody can actually go into my tote. So it's very nice and convenient. And that's what I love about this. Okay, number 8, reading material. I always bring reading material with me, and it's usually my fashion magazines. I love InStyle. This is something that I've been subscribing to since I was probably, I don't know, 17, 18 years old. But yeah, it's a great magazine. No drama, it's just fashion, interiors, whatever. So I like to grab that. And then also I have my 5-minute journal. I have to have this with me because there's little quotes from on each page that kind of gives me like an inspo of the day type of thing. So it's one of those inspirational quotes. I like to write as well. So I'll spend, a few minutes out of my day just to kind of put down what I'm grateful for and, daily affirmations. So this is a great thing for me to bring and maybe for you too. Okay, number 9, we are going to a place here in Washington that's typically colder than our side of the state. So make sure that you check your weather forecast for that area. I know that there's going to be a bit of snow there, so I'm going to be bringing my hat, gloves, and scarf. My leather gloves I may or may not need, but I like to have it ready and in case I do. And then I have my scarf. I like a solid color because it kind of goes with everything. I do have an infinity scarf that's patterned that I did bring with me, but I like that these are a lot more compact, instead of having to pack in so many clothes, you can go, fashionable with your accessories. And then again, I have, I have my hat. So this hat here, my little fedora, I will be wearing on my way to the place. I do have my beanie that I'll be wearing as well. That's all packed away, but it's nice and cute and it's a little different, but it keeps me warm nonetheless. So if you want to go fashionable, use your accessories for that. Okay, number 10. This is the last of the list. You want to get SPF. Because there may be snow, a lot of the sun still comes through the clouds and will reflect off the snow and onto your face or whatever is exposed, So you want to grab your SPF. For me, I'm grabbing my face SPF, and this is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a Magic Cream Light because I have oilier skin. This has an SPF of 20. So this is great. If you're exposing any other part of your body, I don't know, your shoulders, I don't know why would you during the winter months, but just get some SPF 15 and you're good to go. And then also your sunglasses or your glasses. I have some sunglasses in the car, not my reading glasses, but my regular glasses, because I do wear contacts just because I feel more comfortable wearing my mask with my contacts. So just make sure you grab a case and then you'll be good to go. This one in particular, though, is from Top Fox, and it is a blue light lens, so I don't get those headaches, because I sometimes when I wind down, I do look at my phone, play games, read, or whatever. So these help out quite a bit. Okay, and this is what I'm going to be using. This is my Calpac marbleized carry-on suitcase. Hey, Roscoe. Yes, so this is what I'm going to be bringing for the weekend. So far it's held up really well, although you get some of these scratches here, and I don't know, that kind of bugs me, but a lot of the time you could just rub it off and it's fine. So I'm going to open this for you guys real quick. So I like that it has different compartments here. Sometimes I'll put my slippers in here or my hair stuff, and then this is what I have here. This is an extra pocket, and then that's for my packing cubes. Most of the time I put it in there. And then this here, you know, you need one of these to kind of keep everything secure, but I'll put everything else, like my makeup and my toiletry bag and maybe extra shoes. I'll put that in here. So I hope you guys found my video helpful and that it's something for you guys to think about when you go on your trip. Hopefully these tips will, you know, inspire you to maybe come up with something on your own. And if you do, please go ahead and comment and let me know so that maybe I can incorporate it into my routine. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, follow me on Instagram. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box as well as the end of the video. I hope to see you here again on Sunday, and have a great weekend, guys. Bye.